morning, class. Let us start with new chapter number 5, simplification. Now, as the name suggests, simplification, we have to simplify the numerical expression. Now, the question arises, what is numerical expression? A combination of numbers connected by one or more of these symbols, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division, and of, is called a numerical expression. Now we have seen numbers connected with different symbols. So these type of expressions are called numerical expressions, and we have to simplify them. DMAS, that is DMAS. Now what is this DMAS? When we simplify the numerical expressions, we cannot go like 12 plus 9 and after that we'll divide it by 9. No, we cannot go for that. So we have a particular order, and that order is, first we'll divide if there is division, then we'll multiply if there is any multiplication, then we'll add if there is any addition, and then we'll subtract if there is any subtraction. So order should go like this. If we are going to disturb this order, then our answer will be wrong, our simplification will be wrong. Exercise 15, question number 1. Simplify 12 plus 9 divided by 3. Now according to DMAS, first we need to find out divide. Is there any expression of division? Yes. So first we are going to divide 9 divided by 3, that is equals to 3. And the other expression will be written as it is. So 12 plus 9 divided by 3 is equals to 12 plus 3. Now we'll go for multiplication. Is there any multiplication in this expression? No. Now we'll go for addition. Is there any addition in this expression? Yes. So 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. Question number 3, 23 minus 8 multiplied by 2. Now again we go for the DMAS. Is there any division? No. Is there any multiplication? Yes. So first we are going to multiply it and write the other expression as it is. So 8 2s are 16. We write 23 minus 16, and we'll go for addition. Is there any addition in the expression? No. Is there any subtraction in the expression? Yes. So 23 minus 16 is equals to 7. Number 7. 8 multiplied by 6 plus 24 divided by 6 minus 18. Now we can solve it like 8 multiplied by 6, then plus 24, then divide by 6, then minus 18. But according to the DMAS, we cannot change the order. So first we are going to divide. So 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4, and write the other numbers as it is. So 8 multiplied by 6 plus 4 minus 18. Now the next is multiplication. So we are going to multiply. 8 multiplied by 6 is equals to 48, then plus 4 minus 18. Now according to division we have done, multiplication we have done, now addition. So 48 plus 4 is equals to 52 and minus 18, and the last is left. 52 minus 18 is equals to 34. Question number 11. Again we are going to follow the same steps, that is DMAS. First find out the division, that is here 14 divided by 7, then 105 multiplied by 2 plus 6 minus 1. Now find out the multiplication, that is here 105 multiplied by 2, that is 210, plus 6 minus 1 as it is. Then after adding we got 216, then minus 1, that is equals to 215. After understanding the concept of DMAS, let us learn about BODMAS. Now what is BODMAS? Grouping symbols are known as brackets. When we write some expression with groupings, we call them brackets. Now how to solve these brackets? There are 4 types of brackets. Those are bar, then small brackets like this, Then curly brackets, as the name suggests, they are curly, and the big brackets, they are big. So when we solve these expressions, we follow the rules of BODMAS. So this says bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Earlier we were doing division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. What if the brackets are there? How can we solve that? We can solve that using, first we are going to solve the brackets in the sequence from this. First we are going to solve the bars, then the small brackets, then the curly brackets, then the big brackets. After that we can go further. Exercise 16, question number 1. Now as we can see, this expression is having different types of symbols connecting it. Division, brackets, addition, multiplication. So here we are going to follow the same rule, that is BODMAS. First we are going to solve the brackets. Now which bracket first? We have studied that first we are going to solve the bar. There is no bar in this question, so we need to go to the next one, that is the small bracket. Can you see any small bracket here? Yes, of course. This is the small bracket. Now first we are going to solve the small bracket. So 7 minus 2 plus 1. Now according to this we are going to solve, this is 7 and plus 1, that is equals to 8, and minus 2. So the expression will be 20 minus curly bracket 18 divided by small bracket 8 minus 2 bracket closed and the curly bracket closed. So now we'll go to the next one. Now after solving this we got 6 here. Now only the curly bracket is left. Small bracket collapsed, now curly bracket is left. So 20 minus 18 divided by 6. So we are going to solve this. So 20 minus 3, because 18 divided by 6 is equals to 3. Therefore we got 17. Be very careful while solving the brackets. First we are going to solve the bar, then the small bracket, then the curly bracket, and then the big brackets. Number 5. Now again the variety of symbols here: brackets, curly brackets, small brackets, bar, addition, division, subtraction, multiplication. Let us solve it. It is very easy. Brackets. First of all we are going to solve the bar. So 30 minus 3. 9 minus 6 gave us 3. Now the bar has been collapsed. Now divided by 3, then multiplied by 6 plus 6. Now we are going to solve the small bracket. So 27. From where did we get this 27? From here. 30 minus 3 is 27 divided by 3, curly bracket closed, multiplied by 6 plus 6, big bracket closed. Now we are going to solve the curly bracket. So 27 divided by 3 gave us 9, multiplied by 6 plus 6, big bracket closed. Then multiplication or addition, we are going for multiplication. So 9 6 are 54 plus 6, that is equals to 60. Isn't it easy? Now question number 7. Again we are going to follow the same steps. First we are going to solve the bar, that is 4 minus 1 gave us 3. Then we are going to solve the small bracket, that gave us 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Now here the question is 19 minus 3. There is no sign between 19 minus 3 and this small bracket. So when there is no symbol, we are going to write it as multiplication in the case of the bracket. Now 40 divided by curly bracket 19 minus 3 multiplied by 3, curly bracket closed, big bracket closed. We are going to solve the curly bracket first. So in curly bracket there is subtraction and multiplication. So first we are going to solve the multiplication, which gave us 9. So now 40 divided by curly bracket 19 minus 9, curly bracket closed, big bracket closed. So 40 divided by 19 minus 9 gave us 10. 40 divided by 10 is equals to 4.